students. Now I am explaining about the formation of P-N junction. Consider this as a diode, and this is the junction between diode. Let this be P region, this be N region. In the P region we will be having large number of holes, and in the region N region we will be having large number of free electrons. So these are free holes, these are free electrons, and this negative sign means there is an atom which is having free electron. So because of attraction between these opposite charges, the electron will move towards this P region and it will get absorbed in this free hole, and both these will disappear. Similarly, this electron will move and both this will disappear. Before moving the electron, the atom here atom was neutral, but when the electron move from this side towards this side, the atom becomes an ion, positive ion, because a negative polarity is reduced from this side. So this become positive ion. Similarly, this become positive ion, and now this has extra negative charge, so this become negative ion, this become negative ion. So I can draw this figure as like this. Now these are free holes, these are free electrons, but in this region we will be having negative ions, and here we will be having positive ions, because the electrons from this side has already moved towards left side, means P side. So this becomes positive ion and this becomes negative ion, and in this area, means in this area there are no free electrons and no free holes. So this region, this much region is called as depletion region. This depletion region means the area where there are no free electrons or no free holes. In general, we can call that in this region we don't have any free charge carrier for conduction of current. So if I connect a positive of battery here and negative here, the positive of battery will attract the electrons and the negative will push the electron inside the N region. So this positive of battery will create a positive charge here, and this will attract the electrons on the right side. The electron will try to move towards the positive, but this region, depletion region, will try to protect the electrons from moving from N side to P side. So because of this there will be a potential barrier, and this barrier has a voltage of around 0.6 to 0.7 volt in silicon type of material, and in germanium it will be around 0.2 to 0.3 volts. Means unless we apply 0.7 volt potential difference between these two sides, the electron will not move from N side to P side, means N side towards the positive of battery, unless we apply the voltage. Means if I apply here ground and if I apply here 0.7 volt, then only the electron will cross this junction, this region. Below 0.7 volt or below 0.6 volt, there will be only potential difference between these two regions, but there will not be any flow of current. Ideally, when we increase the voltage of this positive side above 0.7 volt, the electron will cross the junction and it will move throughout the semiconductor and will come from this side. So this is the direction of flow of electron, and the current direction of flow of current will be like this. Current will enter from P side and it will leave from N side, and the electrons from N side, it will enter in this region, and this electron will cross the junction because of potential difference, and it will enter the battery from P side. So current will flow in clockwise direction and the electrons will flow in anti-clockwise direction. This is all about the P-N junction. If you have any questions, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.